I thought since we finally got some proper paper, guys. So this came in the last day, 24. I feel like this should have come earlier. It's like they put it on the 24 slot as a prize. I feel like all the paper should have come at the start. Though I understand, I do understand their thinking. You know, it's just a month. You'll get all the supplies eventually anyway. So a Bristol pad is a very good thick paper. I'm sure you can hear the thickness. It says 20 sheets of high quality Bristol paper. Smooth surface, great for pen and ink, mechanical pencils, airbrush and markers. So when I've been talking about this other paper, the sketch pad, obviously said on the back that it's mostly for pencils, colored pencils, charcoal and crayons. So well, most of the supplies that we got were not suitable for this. But it's meant as a sketch pad. And if we follow what it said on the back here, there's only one supply that really could do well on this paper, and it's the colored pencil that we got. I'm surprised we didn't get any pencils. A lot of pens in here. I was thinking since we got this paper in this week, we would swatch in this. You should always swatch on the paper that you're gonna use. Alright, so first up we have Pentel Energel Liquid Gel Ink in metal tip, 0.7mm ball. That's what it says. Looks like it's in blue. Let's see. Oh damn, yep, that's blue alright. Oh, this paper though, it's so nice. Next supply we had the Zebra Doodler's Fashion. Oops, sorry. Doodler's Fashion. Same brand as the purple Zebra Doodler's Glitter that we got. Only that the pink one here is not glittery. Dried up a little bit and then just had to get it going. Next up we have Staedtler Trapless Trix Surfer Inkjet Safe. Basically just a highlighter. Yellow, it says. If you couldn't tell. That is really nice. Definitely highlighty. This is an interesting color combination. Lastly, well not lastly, lastly, we have a Jelly Roll. Jelly Roll 10, which is the size of the nib. I have a few of these, I think 2. I prefer this. I also have, don't use it that much, but I also have a Posca thin liner. But don't get me wrong, these are good too. I mean, it's all about preference. I just feel like this breaks up more than the other one. Can't really see it, but I think this will make for a good sketching pen. And then we have, of course, the paper. That was the last item in the calendar. I won't be using this pad this week. I'm making a 5th and final video where I will go over all of the supplies individually, at their price point, if you get what you paid for the whole thing. Make something with all of them, which is gonna be interesting. For now though, I have these 4. Oh, listen to this. I missed proper paper. I'm not sure how these other pens are gonna work over all of this white pen. It's nice to check it up on the back side towards the light just to see if the proportions are correct, which these are not. Can never do it straight. This pen is triangular, so sometimes I don't put it in properly and I'm like... Highlighters like these aren't meant to be opaque, so it'll be transparent. Obviously, you want the text to show through. That might work in my favor here. It's also dragging the pen with it. I'm sure you can see it. It's definitely got a smell. It's like vinegar and fart together. So I'm using the pens and the highlighter to blend the little shadow in the hair. I have to dab this white pen and not drag it because it's just disappearing into the pen, the blue pen and the pink pen too. So I have to do several layers. First drawing of 2022. 2022. Alright. This is what I have today for this week. I haven't drawn this perspective before, so I'm not sure if it's correct, but it looks fun. Alright. I had a lot of fun with this one actually. I didn't have as much fun with last week's supplies. I think it's because these were all colors and not black. Last week there was a lot of black and gray. So, okay, verdict. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this sweet, sweet stuff. There is nothing that has bled through. Not a damn thing. Bristol paper is just a very good kind of paper. A+ for the paper. This is PENSTORE's own brand. I tried finding these two at their store individually, but it doesn't look like they sell them. I think they only come in the calendar, or maybe they stopped selling them. I don't know. Couldn't find them. It's regular sketch paper and regular Bristol paper. As for these, this is a pretty good brand pen. So yeah, I was happy to see this. This highlighter was pretty nice. It did kind of ruin the nib though with blending these colors, so I don't know how useful it's gonna be for actual highlighting for text. But this one I hate. I don't like it. I don't like pink, and I don't like the nib. It's just boring and annoying. Sorry, man. Prefer this one, the glittery one. I'm gonna test these supplies on the sketch paper just to see if they bleed through. Alright, this is very interesting. This zebra pen, it works a lot better. A lot better on the sketch paper. If you can spot the difference on the thicker paper, it kind of breaks up a lot. But on the sketch paper, it's just like whoop, smooth as silk. The highlighter is more highlighty on the Bristol paper. More yellow, more pigment. Probably because the sketch paper sucks in more of the moisture. The Bristol paper has more of a shine to it, so you have to kind of angle it the right way to see the white pen. And the two papers obviously have different colors. So the sketch paper is more white. The Bristol is more yellow and more eggshell. The sketch paper isn't shiny, so you can see the white pen all the time. Alright, let's look at the back here. Yeah, there wasn't any bleeding to the next page. You can just see the shadow. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna give any more opinions on this until the next video. I'm gonna put out, like I said, one final video where I go over the cost of each individual supply, where you can find them, and make a final illustration with all of the supplies, which is going to be interesting. I'm glad I got this Bristol paper because it's going to it's going to handle the supplies better. The sketch paper wouldn't have been able to handle layers of these other supplies. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.